What up, yo? I'm Kyle, and in today's video, I'm gonna be vlogging. It is my day off from both jobs, Amazon and Domino's. So we're just fat chilling, gonna kick it with some people, gonna see my homie Wes, gonna see his family. They're like my blood almost, bro. Even though they ain't my blood, but they like my blood. I love them. They're like my second family. They teach me a lot, so I'm gonna go over there and have a good time. But before we go there, let's go smoke some real quick. It has saltwater OG Kush. Drop down below what you guys do on your off days from work, you know what I mean? Do you guys go chill, smoke, drink, hang out with the homies, isolate yourself, you know, because you want to hang out with people because they're annoying, you know, whatever fits you, work out, go to the movies. I mean, can't really go to the movies, it's COVID, but you know what I mean? Like, let me know. Comment down below. Also, if you're not following my social medias, they're going to be in the description down below, or also I'm probably going to throw it up somewhere, you know what I'm saying? But you could follow those to keep track and keep up to date with what I'm doing, so I'll see you when I'm at my homies. Alright, yo, so I just got to my homie's crib. Look at the car lineup, you know what I'm saying? The Cherokee versus the fucking Wrangler. Both Jeeps, you know what I'm saying? Shit, look at the little babies. The homie Wes, the big bro, give me some up. And then we got Mugs. And then, you know, we got Storm over there. She don't really like me, but yeah, we got Mama Tam's cooking. She got the seasoning going on. Go ahead, tell them what you're doing.
Okay, so we're gonna do a couple of them, see which one goes better. This is real popular at Costco. I'll rub that in. Okay. We'll do two of them like that.
So you said this is ribeye?
Yeah, it's got a little bit of fat in it, which you want because it gives you more flavor.
Uh-huh.
We got this
Amazing Taste Steakhouse.
San Francisco, so
Bet.
but I guess it's popular. I think it's in a lot of the grocery stores, you know. So Wes wants to have this one.
Excuse me, sir.
Pat that down.
Make sure you always wash your hands, by the way.
Yes, wash your hands. We in a pandemic right now.
There you go.
We in a pandemic right now. Dude, no, these are fire. What are
Sponsored.
they? Yeah, for real. What is this? Rolled corn, tortilla chips, chili lime, flavored, bruh. By Trader Joe's. That is something else. That is something else. Oh dang, that's where I forgot my water. I forgot my water, bruh.
All right.
Whew.
Huh? We better fire it up more. Okay. This is yours. It's got more yellow in it, more gold. Okay.
Battery life.
Not too long. Hey, so let me tell you something. I went there. I went to the farm, saw all that bullshit, right? I recorded it, I sent it to you, put it on my story, saw all that bullshit. But then we went to, he lives
Wait, I
in
think you did tell me about this.
I don't know.
And you spent the night, you said you're always welcome to come.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. Dude, it's lit.
So you wanted to just like that?
Yeah, he was like, hey, let's go. And I was like, I'm at Amazon, bro. Like, I'm working at Amazon right now. I'm like, in my mind, I'm like, bro, so fucking down. What's cool
You didn't
is,
see me, bro? Oh my god.
no, I know, dude. I just don't really drink like that, so it doesn't really bother me. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
But
You can try all the different
no.
drinks.
Oh yeah, no, I know. My eating habits, bro. When I was living with my mom, it was chicken and eggs and like salad, asparagus every single day with broccoli and shit.
Mm-hmm.
But since I'm trying to get big now, it's gonna be like chicken and like steak
And
on the weekends and rice and fucking like protein shakes with ice cream in it, like straight
Have you
up.
ever seen Uncle Rodger?
Mm-mm.
Uncle Rodger? You never seen him?
Mm-mm.
Where is your wok hay? So you Asian restaurant, but no MSG and no fire.
No MSG and no fire.
No MSG and you have Michelin star.
Yeah.
What you want?
Can I get a nasi lemak but no peanuts?
Nasi lemak no peanut. Why? Why no? Best part of nasi lemak is the peanut. Why you don't want peanut?
I'm allergic.
You're allergic to peanut. Why
Yeah,
so
man.
weak? So weak. You scare peanut. Big man like you scare peanut.
Scare peanut.
Uncle Rodger, growing up in Asia, I scared earthquake, I scare flood. I never scare peanut. How you raise family if you scare peanut? Little brown nut you scare. Why no peanut? What wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Oh no, just eat peanut. Hospital very close, don't worry.
We lit. Bruh, that is a blue dream, bruh. Woo. That is gnarly. That's crazy, bro. Da, 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 da. So currently at the jacuzzi with the homie Wes, his community pool. We're just chilling. Our bodies are feeling kind of tense right now, so we're hitting the jacuzzi, loosen up your muscles. You know what I'm saying? Always talking about that stretching, get that blood flow. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're just chilling. We got fat snacks right here. Bow. We got Fritos. We got chili lime from Trader Joe's. And we got some dried oranges and we got some figs. Bam. The homie Wes be chilling right there. Chilling. Get the hydro.
If anything, it'd be fenders. A roof rack. I still gotta work on my car, bro. It's breaking down.
Really?
Not like breaking down, like.
Mine's breaking down here right now.
No, it's just like the trunk is I got all fucked up and everything. Things falling apart. But I'm trying to see if I can sell it. Either if I don't get keep going with it, I'm gonna sell it.
Yeah.
And get maybe a 4-door.
I'm thinking about paying off mine, getting Gladiator. Real the big ones. So where I could just be like trailing behind you during shit. Like obviously not climbing, but like dirt roads and shit. Or like mud paths and shit.
I know a really good spot for you.
Yeah.
It is in Old Town, behind Old Town, those big mountains.
Bro, my eating schedule's so fucked up.
I know, dude.
I'm thinking about so much food right now. I'm like, fuck. Pretty cold or what? Yeah. Pretty cold or what? That's crazy, bro. They got a sentry gun in office, or fucking that top part. Oh shit! Damn! I was popping off just now. Shit. Let's get a pick pop pop. Iridocyclitis. Larcized. With the best music, man.
I could be a hero.